It was a very tough period. Failed, succeeded again. एक्स्ट्रा इनकम करिया को मु मझिरे रेलवे स्टेशन रे जाई कि भी ब्रोकरी काम भी कर ली। बाप का पैसा से तुम खा पी रहे हो वो नहीं चलेगा। My only fear is कि if the government does not do something, some regulation, we will find many of the people unemployed in terms of the retail trade. Offline FMCG business, I'm not seeing any future.
प्रतिष्ठा बा सफलता को केवल आमे देखू आमको लगे यहाँ बोधे एमती आसी जाइए किंतु ता पछर थिबा कहानी को आमे केबे देखा को चेष्टा करे नहीं। जड़े व्यक्ति रेलवे स्टेशन रे टिकेट ब्रोकरेज करने कामरू उठी आज अनेक शह कोटी टंकार रिटेल और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस प्रतिष्ठा कर 1700-1800 लोक सीधा सड़क निजुक्ति दे पारिछंती ओडिशा भली राज्य रे भुवनेश्वर भली आमर सहर रे। से व्यक्ति विश्वास करती जे राति अधरे हठात करी किछि बेनिफिट आसीजीवनी आमको सीढ़ी पर सीढ़ी चढ़ी उन्नति पथरे जीवाक हबो विकास पथरे जीवाक हबो। हार्ड वर्कर किछि सब्स्टिट्यूट नाही ऑनेस्टीर किछि सब्स्टिट्यूट नाही एही भली विश्वास रखी निजको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एवं रिटेल क्षेत्र में सफल भाव में प्रतिष्ठा करथिबा जणे व्यक्ति अत्यंत परिचित व्यक्ति आज आम सहित उपस्थित अछंती वॉइस एंड वाइब स्टूडियो रे। आसंतु तांको सहित बसिबा आलोचना करिबा एवं तांको जीवनर कहानी सुनिबा। नमस्कार पपुआई, स्वागत करछि वॉइस एंड वाइब स्टूडियो को। आपनकर लाइफ जर्नी केमती स्टार्ट हला भुवनेश्वर रे?
My father was a government service रे चाकरी रे थिले. After partition from Pakistan, he came and settled in Bulandshahr, UP. 21 years चाकरी करले from 48 to 1969.
अच्छा।
तापरे जेहेतु जेजे बापा एठी मास्टर कैंटीन रे तांकरो बिजनेस माने जो सिंगड़ा आलू चाप दुकान थिला
मास्टर कैंटीन ना है जिसे
ना है सेति पई सो से तांकू कहले तमे भी एठी पड़े आसो. So then he shifted down over here at this particular place and we settled over here only and more primary education सही समय रे.
अपन जन्म भुवनेश्वर रे?
ना, मो जन्म in UP only in Bulandshahr. So the transfer was taking place from Bulandshahr, Agra, Meerut, Muzaffarnagar because it was a civil supply state government job fila. So he was a government servant, so transferable job था. तो सही समय रे when he came down over 69 over here, my primary education personally was in Hindi medium. When I came to Bhubaneswar, लागिला एमती मोते माने as if मु ओडे foreign country को पढ़ी.
ओह अच्छा।
कहीं there was no Hindi over here. It was either Oriya or English. Father मोते admit कर देले Stuart school रे. So everything became a French for me.
Okay.
सेठी आमे पढ़ुथिलु गणित. एठी जेते ओडे स्टुअर्ट स्कूल रे मु पसिली सेटा हे गला अलजेब्रा ज्योमेट्री मैथ अरिथमेटिक
बहुत बड़ी जिंस हे गला
गणित हे गला तीनटा सब्जेक्ट.
ओके।
वेरी टफ टाइम आई हैड. स्टुअर्ट स्कूल भुवनेश्वर. सो आई फेल्ड.
को क्लास?
आई हैड टू टेक अ बैक इन क्लास 9.
अच्छा।
I couldn't sustain this English language and all this.
अच्छा. Okay.
And lot of struggle here and there. Then I moved to class 11, senior Cambridge thila.
अच्छा.
You were the last batch of senior Cambridge. It was a very tough period. Failed, succeeded again. And after my graduation, my father told me कि इतना तो बिजनेस में कुछ नहीं बनता है, तो तुम्हारी 3 बहनें हैं, तुम कहीं नौकरी कर लो.
अच्छा.
I told नौकरी करेंगे. ग्रेजुएशन हो गया था. I was very fond of playing cricket also.
Okay.
So I joined Bani Bihar Law College also.
अच्छा.
So that I can continue because I joined Revencha. Revencha रे graduation complete हला during the emergency period 1975 to 77.
Okay.
Complete करी कि law college join कर ली. Law college was joined just because I wanted to play cricket.
खेलिबा पाई कि पाठ
खेलिया
पाई
पाई. Not because of the serious becoming a lawyer and all this thing. कंप्लीटेड ग्रेजुएशन, फादर प्रेशराइज कर ले जॉब करो, सो जॉब तो नहीं मिलता था, एब्सोल्युटली देयर वाज नो एम्प्लॉयमेंट नाइदर इन
प्राइवेट सेक्टर
प्राइवेट
तो नता
सेक्टर
केवल जहाँ गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर
जहाँ
था
गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर
राइट
ଥିଲା। So I started doing some ସାଇକେଲରେ ବୁଲି ବୁଲି जो रेजर्स एंड ब्लेड्स एंड साबुन सेटा बिकिलु सेक्रेटरी सामने छिड़की यूज टू earn around 7.5 rupees per day. That is the way the
business started from
business
there
started, and slowly and steadily, and father was already with his brothers, so business was also growing steadily. But since my father was the eldest of the three brothers, and since he was the late entrant into the
business
in business in Bhubaneswar, so he was not treated very respectfully by the other three brothers.
ସେମାନେ ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲେ
He ଆସିକି ମାଡ଼ି ବସିବ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା
So but then things changed slowly. I got into the business with him, and we moved from FMCG. We started off with Hindustan Lever, then with Britannia, and then the FMCG line started growing, and we grew accordingly. मझिरे एक्स्ट्रा इनकम करियाको मु मझिरे रेलवे स्टेशन रे जाई कि भी से राति रे से जो रनिंग ट्रेन ऊपर जो ब्रोकरी काम भी करली।
अच्छा
हाँ, during that period.
ओ माय गॉड
Because we were staying in a rented house.
अच्छा
So the rent was very high in BJP Nagar. ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋର ମନେ ଅଛି 1300 ଟଙ୍କା ନା 1400 ଟଙ୍କା ରେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ମାସକୁ।
अरे बाबा
This was in 1980. And then my dad used to tell me कि पहला 40 रुपया 50 रुपया जो कमाओगे वो रेंट के लिए रखोगे।
अच्छा दैट इज योर पोर्शन योर शेयर
So slowly and steadily, when I was doing this brokerage in the railway station, one day I found Nalco was setting its office in Bhubaneswar.
अच्छा
They were the Angul plant was going on.
ओके
Construction had started 78, 79, 80. Right? So I met one Mr. Jha. He was that time a director of Nalco and all these things. So he came with this. So usually, when the people, big people, they walk, they have got 2, 3, 4 people around them. So I saw him coming, and पूरा सेत्ती की experience ये यही थिला ମୁଁ କହିଲି कि this man has no ticket
अच्छा
because their people were looking after the searching, ଯେମିତି ଗଲାବେଳେ ଇଟିପିଟି କୁ ଖୋଜନ୍ତି ଯାହା ପାଖେ ଟିକେଟ
वेरी थांदी हाँ
and somebody who is very confident, he'll straight away go and look into the charts.
राइट
Okay, this and all these things. So I approached him. I told him, sir, do you need a ticket? He said, well, no, my men are there. They're doing it. So ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି କି ସେ ଲୋକଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି I am standing at the AH Wheeler counter. Older times, every railway station had AH Wheeler bookstall.
yes
Every railway station, because they had the national contract
right
for having the bookstores. So I देखली he couldn't get, so he pointed out towards me. So I went again, and he told कि नहीं टिकट एक फर्स्ट क्लास लोअर बर्थ करा दो। So since
जुगाड़ हो गया
जुगाड़ कर दिया, I went and then did it. Then I told him कि सर ये हो गया, ये लोअर बर्थ है, खुर्दा से ट्रेन अभी निकला है and all these things. So and you will get this lower berth. He told no, but I won't be able to pay anything. I am a government servant.
no extra he can pay
So you ensure that I am sitting on the berth, and everything arrangement, my people will
okay
give you this. And so I told, ठीक है, after they made the arrangements and all this thing, when the train came, he tells me, they gave me a very good, lovely sum of money also. Usually I used to earn 10 rupees, they gave me around 70, 80 rupees
oh अच्छा
per berth.
per berth okay
So single berth में मिल गया इतना रुपया तो I was very happy. So then he gave me his card. He told, come and meet me.
okay
So I went to, I forgot, कौन जाएगा? चल रहा था, काम चल रहा था, घर भी चल रहा था ठीक से, सिस्टर का मैरिज भी सिर पे था. से मझिरे सेतेबेले कौन हला ड्यूरिंग those times the cyclones used to come, माने the railway tracks आंध्रा फंदरा रे उड़ी जाउथिला.
right
So 7, 8 days, 10 days, the trains used to get suspended. So 7-8 दिन कामो जेतेबेले हला नहीं, there was no income and all these things. So हम सोचा कि when I went down to the Nalco office, that point of time was in Epicol House.
okay
माने सिटी भड़ा रहते ବସିଲି ସେଇଠି ଘଣ୍ଟେ ଯାଇ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ କାଗଜ ପଠେଇଲି ଡାକିଲେ ସେ ମୋତେ ଡାକିଲେ କହିଲେ अरे क्या कर रहा है तू ये पढ़ा लिखा आदमी है ग्रेजुएट है एंड इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलता है एंड व्हाई आर यू डूइंग ऑल दिस ब्रोकरी जॉब एट द रेलवे स्टेशन आई टोल्ड सर कोई जॉब नहीं है आप जॉब दिलवा दीजिए हम यहाँ बैठ जाएंगे बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी फ्रेंडली ही टोल्ड देख जॉब तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है वो दिल्ली से ही डिसाइड होते हैं सारे यू गिव अस 2 टैक्सीज
अच्छा
our engineers come from abroad Germany से and they land here on Monday and for next 7 days they are in Angul. So the vehicle will go them, they'll stay in Angul, your vehicle will be Angul. So we will give you X amount of money, which was very good that point of time. Driver expense तुम्हारा है. So where I was struggling for around 1500 रुपया महीना, he asked me for 2 vehicles and I used to earn around 12,000 rupees out of those 2 vehicles.
ଗାଡ଼ି ଥିଲା ନିଜର ନା ଗାଡ଼ି ପଡ଼ି ଭଡ଼ା
ଗାଡ଼ି କିଣିଲି ଗାଡ଼ି କିଣିଲା ବେଳେ ବି ଷ୍ଟୋରି ହେଲା ଗାଡ଼ି କିଣିଲା ବେଳେ ସେତେବେଳେ 40-50% ଡାଉନ୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ଗାଡ଼ି ତ ଆଗ ଭଳିଆ ନାହିଁ ନା 1 ରୂପି ଦେଲେ ଗାଡ଼ି ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି ସେତେବେଳେ 40-50% ଡାଉନ୍ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ତାପରେ ଆମର ଇନକମ୍ ବି ନଥିଲା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ବହୁତ ଖେଳୁଥିଲେ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସେକ୍ଟର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କସ୍ had a full monopoly.
Right.
So he told I'll get you the loan also. तांको बैंक इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक थिला से इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक को फ़ोन कर ले कि ये मेरे आदमी हैं इनको आप लोन दे दीजिए गाड़ी कॉस्ट वाज अराउंड 68, 69, 70,000 ऑन रोड पड़ू थिला सो 2 गाड़ी का लोन दे दो मदर हेल्प कर ले मदर्स आर ऑलवेज
Some hidden money with them.
हाँ तो से मत देले अराउंड 50,000 रुपीज़ पहले जा ले ले एंड फादर वाज अगेंस्ट ये क्या गाड़ी का धंधा होता है किराए की गाड़ी का कोई बिजनेस होता है ऐसे चाकरिया थिले तो
No investment, no risk.
no risk but father was only in business for last 8-9 years 80 asla pare so but then that was the turning point after that I never looked back
Okay.
फादर के बिजनेस से बिजनेस अपना अलग किया उनके साथ में बैठता था एक और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खोल ली kept on getting distribution after distribution because I was very hard working
କୋଉ ସଂସ୍ଥାଟା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ ପ୍ରଥମେ Distribution ପାଇଁ?
हिंदुस्तान डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स
ଓକେ
एंड हिंदुस्तान एजेंसीज
ଓକେ
दीटा संस्था हला
କ'ଣ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ତା ଦେହରେ
हिंदुस्तान एजेंसीज had levers and Hindustan distributor had Britannia, Cadbury's, Kellogg's.
କୋଉ
We-
ବର୍ଷ ସେଇଟା କୋଉ ସମୟରେ
1981 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା
ନିଜର ବିଜନେସ୍ ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ହେଇକି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଲେ
ହଁ ହଁ
ତାପରେ ଆଗକୁ ଯେଉଁ ବଢ଼ିଲେ କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ମେଜର ପୋର୍ସନ୍ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ତ ସେ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଆଣିଲେ
I always believe कि destiny is one of the biggest thing. Had I not met that gentleman,
ତ शुरुआत
I won't have भी पैसा न था सेफ्टी की.
राइट राइट राइट
So the destiny plays a very important role.
राइट राइट
And my good fortune is कि I have met almost all the good people in my life. Whomsoever I have met,
ओके
they have supported me.
ओके
That has been the जगन्नाथ ठाकुर कहतु कि शिव ठाकुर कहतु तांको आशीर्वाद मो उपरे अच्छी सदाबेले इवन टिल टुडे व्हाटएवर प्रोजेक्ट मु खोलिया को चाहूची when I think कि this is inquiring some large sum of money how will I arrange I'll not enter into it ଏବେ गोटे recently challenge गोटे आस्थिला which you will find it out in next 3 months time
ओके
so there's a very large sum of money so I thought ki whether should I enter shall I not enter but somehow the other I am finding ki the money is arranged
ओके
and it's all because of not because ki mu kichi extra kar deichi I met people I talked to them I convinced them and the money is sanctioned by the banks
ଆଜି ଆପଣ ଟୋଟାଲ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କମ୍ପାନୀ କେତେଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଆପଣ ଖୋଲିଛନ୍ତି
apart from FMCG since my sons have grown you know Aditya and Manik so they are elder son is managing the FMCG and C&F business carrying and forwarding and they are around 10-12 big companies 13-14 hai ki way
ओके
and in durables we have got around 5-6 big companies with watches and all this thing Distribution is one of the toughest business, Himanshu bhai. It is, the margin is hardly 1.5%, 2%.
और रिस्क
The risk is 10% because the business is, volumes are very big.
यस
The values are very big. So it's one of the toughest businesses I have come across. in
टोटल
my-
सिस्टम भितरे आपनकर जेते जहाँ जेते एफएमसीजी हो ड्यूरेबल हो जेते जहाँ करिसंती केते लोकन को आपन सीधा सड़क भाबरे एम्प्लॉयमेंट देइचंती ओडिसा रे
direct employment thibo around retail and distribution मिसेई की around 1700-1800 people are employed.
1700 people so it's a big number of
Yes. Oh, indirect Olga.
indirect अछंती हैं
Indirect means when you go down to any mobile store, the promoter who is wearing a Samsung jersey,
Right.
the salary goes through us, but it's through an agency.
एमती गोटे कथा शुणा हुए मार्केट रे जे जो ब्रांड पप्पू भाई संगे जोड़ी है ओडिशा रे सी सक्सेसफुल हबाटा बहुत डिफिकल्ट नोकिया गोटे एग्जांपल मते लागे नोकिया भी आपन पाखरे कोट समय थिला तापरे नोकिया छाड़ दी अपन सैमसंग को धरि पकले सैमसंग मोबाइल भी बहुत बड़ हो गला कोन एक्चुअली यार पछपटर मैजिक अछि पप्पू भाई कर
It's simply किसी नहीं, destiny plays a big role. Taking the right decision at the right point of time happens. It does not happen to me. It happens automatically. Because what I was doing is ki, you know Lipsa, my daughter-in-law, she was in the family and all these things. She joined in 2010 and in 2011 I moved to Samsung. Even then I was going through the Nokia ro contour देखुथिली, it was going down. Plus I was seeing the balance sheet, they were eating away their reserve and surplus. You know, any company, if you eat away your reserve and surpluses, that means you will not survive for very long.
yes
So when I saw that, and plus my good fortune, ki two of my good friends joined Samsung
okay
from Airtel. I was also working for Airtel. So when they joined Samsung, they approached me 2-3 times, but Nokia was at the peak. I didn't take it. But once I found that Nokia is struggling internationally, I immediately met them.
okay
And they gave me an opportunity. And then the story, one more story began. And I left Nokia when I was doing around, we had a market share of 60%. Everybody was shocked. कि पप्पू भाई 60% मार्केट शेयर वाला ब्रांड को छाड़ी की
एटा नुआ ब्रांड
7-8% को धरी
हां हां
so किछि कौन अच्छी कौन नहीं. And I am proud to say that Himanshu bhai, when I moved in Nokia, I had got around 40-45 distributors under me.
okay
Out of that 45, 38 moved with me.
oh अच्छा
So much of confidence was of theirs with me. कि yes, he will do something because why has he moved away?
सो जितेबाला आपण डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नौचंती सो ओडिशा सारा विभिन्न जगह डीलर मान को आपण प्रोडक्ट दियंती पैसा पत्र कलेक्शन में असुविधा हुए नी जमती डीलर पैसा गोटे ये इंडस्ट्री सुना हुए जे डीलर पैसा रखी दियंती हैरान करंती आसेनी
You see, we have to, once you grow big, you need to earmark something for the bad debts every year. So we do that, we are earmarking something for the bad debts. But at the same time, once even if it is a bad debt, the legal procedure starts auto mode. The advocates and then they will file the cases. So that is, we got a legal manager sitting in our office and all these things. So these are bound to happen. It is like happening in every other company in the country.
सिंस यू आर आपण को पाखरे गोटे बहुत बड़ नेटवर्क अच्छे डीलर मानकर आपण एते बड़े प्रोडक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं चंती एबे जो ऑनलाइन माने डिजिटल वर्ल्ड रे ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ऑप्शंस आसीगलानी अमेजन टू नेकी फ्लिपकार्ट टू नेकी बहुत जिनसे चली ब्लिंकिट वाला जिनसे आसीगलानी सेतेरे ऑफलाइन बिजनेस ऊपर कौन प्रभाव पड़छि तार
You see, offline FMCG business, I am not seeing any future. ମୁଁ ବେଶୀ କିଛି distribution line ରେ future ଦେଖୁନି.
अच्छा
I am not able to see it. Because
ऑनलाइन माडी बसछि सब
online ମାଡ଼ି ବସୁଛି, fast e-commerce ମାଡ଼ି ବସୁଛି, and all these guys are slowly and steadily killing away the retail. This is called mom and pop store.
ओके
कि आप घर से निकले आपके, वो आज भी हैं. माने इंडिया इज सच अ वास्ट कंट्री, दे विल नेवर डाई.
Right.
But
But the attraction say business से attraction ରହିବନି
say
because
attraction ରହିବନି because they will also not make much money because their turnovers are going down.
right.
I being a distributor for FMCG companies for almost all the major companies. In my house, every day there is a Blinkit packet. माने अगर मुझे साबुन चाहिए मैं अपने गोडाउन से मंगा सकता हूँ ये कर सकता हूँ बट तांकु कौन होची माने मॉर्निंग रे दरकार पड़ला हठात देनी नहीं so they order it to Blinkit. So Blinkit is becoming this fast e-commerce is becoming a household name. My only fear is कि if the government does not do something
restriction regulation
some regulation
right.
we will find many of the people unemployed in terms of the retail trade.
ଆପଣ ଜଣେ experienced businessman ଭାବରେ କେମିତି future planning ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି how to run the empire?
No, we are changing the lines. We have instead of going for the general trade, we are moving to the modern trade.
अच्छा.
And we are taking, supposing Britannia biscuits. I am not. I have already moved away from the GT. GT means general trade. जो अपन को दुकान पान दुकान अच्छी या सबु बड़ो दुकान grocery stores अच्छंती. So we don't supply to them anymore.
अच्छा.
We have resigned from that business.
Okay.
And we have only moved to the modern trade. Modern trade means we will only supply to Reliance, In and Outs. We will supply to Vishal Mega Marts.
A kind of institutional sale you can say.
It is basically the big retail chains.
Big retail chain. Okay.
Regional retail chains.
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଥମ କରିକିରି ତନିଷ ଭଳିଆ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଯୋଉଟାକି ରିଚ୍ ପିପୁଲଙ୍କର ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ଜୁଏଲାରୀ ସେଗମେଣ୍ଟରେ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରକୁ ଆଣିଲେ ମାଷ୍ଟର କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟିନ୍କୁ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ଆଣିଲେ ଆଉ କେଉଁ ରିସ୍କ ଆପଣ ନେଇଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ?
I was already carrying and forwarding agent for Titan watches.
अच्छा.
So from Titan watches, when they approached me, I was in double mind, triple mind, कि क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. And then I decided कि the brand is big Titan. Watches was the number one brand in 2000. Watches also we struggled in 87, 88 because that point of time watches we were struggling. If I had a competition with HMT.
HMT, yes, yes.
HMT was getting sold in premium.
Yes, yes.
And Titan slowly and steadily came into quartz and then occupied the market space. And by the time it was 10 years from 87 to 97, Titan almost had a monopoly.
Right.
So the confidence in the brand, since we were here, they approached me and they told कि we want to open a jewelry store and all the things. So I told ठीक है, I trust the brand and Titan I trust in any way. If you see apart from Tanishq, whatever forum they have come.
You're the first to get it in notice.
Yes, whether it is chashma, whether it is sunglasses, whether it is watches, whether
Sari
it
also.
is sarees, anything. We may not make money for the first 4-5 years, but then yes, future is there.
ତନିଷ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ struggle କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା?
Yes, we had a lot of struggle in Tanishq. I remember with a joint family, Pinky's wife, my wife, my cousin Bittu bhai achanti tankaro istri. So we all three were. I used to tell them कि you have to make this store a success. Finance मैं arrange कर रहा हूँ. Attend every customer and convince them. We had a lot of struggle. That point of time there was a strike hela by the Baniyas from Cuttack, Bhubaneswar.
So they opposed.
They opposed because when we installed a carat meter.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay.
When we installed carat meter in the store, so they all told कि carat meter नहीं चलेगा. Even the big jewelers came down.
Okay.
Big, I don't want to name them. ये told नहीं carat meter आप नहीं चला सकते भाई क्यों नहीं चलाएंगे and all this thing बोला नहीं ये होगा. So we had to thought that so somehow the other we managed it and they sat in front of our stores for hours together. But then company was adamant. I had a backing of the company. They told me nothing doing. You inform police and take whatever action you have. They were completely empowered me.
Okay.
To take actions as per this thing. And thankfully, ଟିକେ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଏଠି ସେ କନଭିନ୍ସିଂ ପାୱାର ଥିଲା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ହାତ ଯୋଡ଼ି କନଭିନ୍ସ କଲି and today everybody is keeping a carat meter.
yes, yes, yes. That is the standard practice.
That is now become the standard practice because otherwise तो आप ज्वेलरी गोल्ड वापस कैसे लेंगे? So from one showroom to second at Katak and then third at Chandrasekharpur, then fourth at Angul. So the cart is moving and then they opened this carat lane. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have allotted us 8th also.
ଆପଣ ପିଲାମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବିଜନେସରେ ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ
Involved, ହଁ.
ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ବାଇ ଚଏସ୍ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରି ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ
କିଛି ବାଧ୍ୟ କରାହେଇନଥିଲା they found ki father is successful and he is earning money, good money, so why not? And plus when I get hands in my so that I made my expansion faster.
अच्छा
So expansion faster hala.
आर दे मीटिंग योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस
Expectations to they are unlimited. You look at the sky, you want to go there, but then they are. ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହୁଛି ସେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା and plus they are doing even better than me. Manik is doing better than me also in many of the fields.
ପପୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବିଜନେସ୍ ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ବିଜନେସ୍ କରାଯାଏ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ ଭିତରେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ସୋସାଇଟିକୁ ରିଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କ'ଣ କି ପ୍ରକାର ସେବା ମନୋଭାବ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି ହାଉ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ସର୍ଭିଂ ଦ ପିପଲ୍
I have got a Gaushala.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
We have got a trust of our own. Corporate social responsibility funds amaro jota CSR funds generate hue.
ଓକେ
So we donate to the Gaushala over here. Our own Gaushala, of course. And it's not only the cows which we do seva over there. Because in our Hindu culture, it is called ki Gau Seva sabse badi seva hoti hai. So it is not only the cows, even the bulls. We don't sell the bulls also.
अच्छा
Even they are being fed and they are allowed to live their own life as long as they live. So we do that. And of course, my every day in the morning, लोग को आश्चर्य कि इसका ये मर रहा है, उसका वो हो रहा है. The first thing 5:36 अपन find करिवे, मो phone पे रू, up to 5,000 I donate every day.
अच्छा
5 संस्था 1,000 बांट दो. And apart from the CSR funds which we have, any organization, Rotary Maguchi, कि there is some deserving people, those who ask for it, we immediately give it.
ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ଆମର ସୋସାଇଟିରେ ଆମ ଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଶରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ରିଟେଲ ଆଉ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଏ ଦୁଇଟା ସେକ୍ଟର ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ କରେ ଯେଉଁଟାକି ସରକାରୀ ଚାକିରି ତା ତୁଳନାରେ କିଛି ନୁହଁ କି କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ଜବ୍ସ ନୁହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ କୌଣସି ନା କୌଣସି ଭାବରେ ଯଦି ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ରିଟେଲରେ ଥିବା ଲୋକମାନେ ସେଇଭଳି ସୋସିଆଲ ରେକଗ୍ନିସନ୍ ପାଆନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ କ'ଣ କାରଣ ୟା ପଛରେ ଥାଏ
We have got our name and fame in Odisha. There is no doubt in that ki the name is there, the fame is there. I am very proud to say that, Himanshu bhai, if you go down to any smallest of the hamlet in Odisha, because I have worked selflessly. I have personally taken the risk and made the people stand from a 0 store to 2 stores, 3 stores in retail, personally, by extending them monetary, not outrightly lending them, but lending them so that they can earn their money and all this thing. ଆପଣ ଆଜି କଣ୍ଟା ଭାଞ୍ଜି ଯିବେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ କହିବେ you go down to any mobile or durable store कि पप्पू भाई पप्पू हंस को जानते हैं वो बोला अरे भाई उनको तो हम अच्छे से जानते हैं आज हम जो हैं उनकी वजह से हैं यहाँ तक लोग बोलते हैं कांटा भांजी अपन मलकानगिरी पड़े जाऊँ ना आंटी
अच्छा ଏତେ ଇଣ୍ଟେରିୟର ଦେବେ ହଁ
It's interior because I have worked every smallest village. Today, if I am sitting over here or at this position, because I have gone to every interior of the Odisha state. So it is the hard work which definitely.
ହାର୍ଡ
pays.
ୱାର୍କର କିଛି
And
ସବଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁଟ୍
then we have, but the problem is this ki now when your retail chains have grown and all this thing, definitely we are getting recognition. But then there are bigger sharks
ୟେସ୍ ୟେସ୍
sitting in the industry. The bigger sharks like Tata's, bigger sharks like retail, they are opening regional retail format stores in the smallest places. So that is my worry. Apart from FMCG, my worry is that even the durable trade is getting affected. Because they are opening stores in Nayagarh, the smallest places. And then their prices nobody can match.
ରାଇଟ୍ ଯେ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏତେ ବଢ଼ିଛି ଏତେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତ ସୁଟ୍ ଅପ୍ କରିଯାଇଛି ଗଲା କିଛି ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କେମିତି ସେଲ୍ସ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରଭାବ ପଡ଼ିଛି ତାର?
You see, volume to has definitely reduced, na? Volume has reduced. Somebody who was planning to buy 30 grams is today buying 15 grams. Values have not gone down, but volumes have gone down.
How it is affecting your business, your margins and all that?
Again, the brand is winning. The brand is winning. The brands are winning. It is, if I can frankly say, the smaller unorganized trade jewelers are getting affected.
କିନ୍ତୁ ୟୁରୋପିଆନ୍ ୟୁନିୟନ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟ୍ରେଡ୍ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ କ'ଣ ଏହାର ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ମିଳିବ ରିଟେଲ୍ ଆଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍କୁ ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷରେ?
It will be the exporters which will be benefited. Retail को କିଛି effect ହବନି.
ପ୍ରାୟ 4 ଦଶନ୍ଧି ଧରିକରି 40 ବର୍ଷରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ବାବଦ ଯାହା ହିସାବରୁ ଜଣାଯାଉଛି ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟବସାୟରେ ସମ୍ପୃକ୍ତ ହାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍କିଂ ଅବସର ସମୟ କେମିତି କଟାନ୍ତି ଲାଇଫରେ ଆଉ କିଛି ପ୍ୟାସନ୍ ଆଉ କିଛି ହବି ଯେସବୁ ଅଛି ନା ଖାଲି ବିଜନେସ୍ 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 ଚାଲିଥାଏ?
No, my first love is business, and my second, as you grow older,
ରାଇଟ୍
you get grandkids and all. I've got 2 granddaughters. ବଡ଼ ପୁଅର ଗୋଟେ granddaughter ଅଛି ବେଦିକା, ମାନିକର ଅଛି ଝିଅ ଗୋଟେ ୱାମିକା. So they are my favorites.
ଓକେ
I spend my time with the smallest one. ବଡ଼ଟା ତ ଗଲାଣି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଗଲାଣି. And my second biggest love is my music. I love music. I love to hear songs. I love to sing them out.
ଟିକେ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ
बहुत सारी reels
ଫେଭରେଟ୍
में
ଗୀତ
आपने
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
देखा
ଗାଇକି
होगा.
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣାନ୍ତୁ ଦର୍ଶକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କି?
एक हसीन शाम को दिल मेरा खो गया, पहले अपना हुआ करता था, अब किसी का हो गया. एक हसीन शाम को दिल मेरा खो गया, मुद्दतों से आरज़ू थी जिंदगी में कोई आए, सुनी सुनी जिंदगी में कोई शमा झिलमिलाए, वो जो आए तो रोशन जमाना हो गया, एक हसीन.
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग वेरी नाइस ବହୁତ ଆଚ୍ଛା କ'ଣ ଖାଇବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି? ଓଡ଼ିଶା ୟୁପିରେ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଆସି ରହିଲେ
I am foodie.
ଓକେ
But with age, everything has to come down. So I have reduced my fooding habits. आलू दम दही वड़ा बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
And then I love dosa. Punjabi, तो we have got this आलू का पराठा.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ବାବୁ ଭାଇ ଗୋଟାଏ ଆମେ ଯାହା ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଲେ ଯେ ଯେମିତି ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ଜାଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ପଶି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ରିଟେଲ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍ରେ କ'ଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆଡ଼ଭାଇସ୍ ରହିବ ୟୁଥ୍ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ବ୍ୟବସାୟକୁ ଆସିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ୟୁଥ୍?
Young youth को ମୁଁ କହିବି ମାନେ they shouldn't replicate me in terms of distribution.
ରାଇଟ୍
Distribution is slowly and steadily a dying business.
ଓକେ
It is just because of I've seen in my own eyes during my lifetime, many people have vanished from the distribution trade. It is just because my experience and my this thing, I have been still able to manage it. As regards for the younger generation, what is actually happening? They do B.Tech and then they struggle for 5, 6 years, 7 years. And when I hear the salary, etc., 3.5 lakhs package, 4 lakhs. Today, if you take a house on a rental 2-bedroom, it is 15,000. So 50% of the salary is gone with that. So it's a very tough life they lead initially, during the initial phases. But then there are opportunities only if you have entrepreneurship skills. So you have to develop that. And you shouldn't run away from the hard work. I find I go to Kit Road and all this thing, people, young generation doing hookahs and all these things, which is somehow or the other they'll not be able to do all this hard work. You see, बाप का पैसा से तुम खा पी रहे हो, वो नहीं चलेगा.
बट समहाउ माइंडसेट सियाड़ को जाइछि भारी सोसाइटी रे.
Yes, it is the worst thing.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ନିଜର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ପାଠ ବି ପଢ଼େଇଲେ ଏବଂ ବିଜନେସକୁ ସେମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ ବି ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି. କ'ଣ ସେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂଟା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ
Danda. That is the, you know how disciplined, you know my family from
Yeah.
last so many years.
ରାଇଟ୍
It has been I try to discipline them in a very, very big way.
ରାଇଟ୍. ପପି ଆପଣ ତ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଧରି ବ୍ୟବସାୟରେ ରହିଲେଣି ଏବଂ ବାହାର ରାଜ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି. ଅନ୍ୟ ରାଜ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ତୁଳନାରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ କରିବାର ବାତାବରଣ ଯେମିତିକା ଦାଦାବଟି ଥାଏ, କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ମାନଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଟରଫେରେନ୍ସ ଥାଏ, ସେମିତି ଜିନିଷ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କ'ଣ ତାର ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ରହିଛି?
No, Odisha is a very peaceful state. That way I'll say कि शांतिपूर्ण लोको, state is peaceful. The law and order has been extremely good.
କ'ଣ ବାର୍ତ୍ତା ରହିବ ଓଡ଼ିଶାବାସୀ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ୟୁଥ୍ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଥ୍ରୁ ଭଏସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଭାଇକ୍ସ?
Destiny plays one of the biggest roles. Second point କହିବି कि one has to be down to earth. Third is there cannot be your father's influence, you cannot take it for a very long time. He might be a rich man, he might be a big government officer. So unless and until you are down to earth, even he is not going to bless you. So the biggest blessing is the God's blessing has to be there on you, and plus hard work, and make winning a habit. If you don't make winning a habit by these three qualities, hard work, determination, and believe in making 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 4 8. Don't try to make 4 into 4 16. 16 into 16. Make 16 plus 16 32. Go ladder wise. That is my experience. I have gone ladder wise.
Right. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much, Papu bhai. Very enlightening, very encouraging discussion we had. Thank you for being with us in Voice and Vibe Studio. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Himanshu bhai,
Namaskar.
for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you.